Hey guys, I have here my new standing floor lamp from Arslly, and I want to show you in this video how to set this up and about all the features that this lamp comes with. So first we're going to take out all the parts. So it comes with a remote control. There's no batteries included, so we need to come with we need to bring two AAA batteries. Then we have here two pole pieces, and then here this is the top that has here the LED lights with the flexible gooseneck, and then here is the button controls, and then also the connecting the wire to connect it to the outlet. See here, this is where we connect it with these with this barrel connector. Then here we have the power converter here, 12 volt and 1 amp output. And then of course it comes with the user manual. Can I have a quick look? It's only 2 pages, so it shows you how to assemble it and then how the remote control works, and then it gives you on the back side some specifications. And then the last piece you have here is the base. So this is a heavy base with the bottom is like has some piece of fabric on it so it doesn't scratch anything. See this here, and then here we have this is where we are going to attach the poles. So now let's start to assemble the poles. So we can use this lamp as a floor lamp as well as a desk lamp. So if you only want to use it as a desk lamp, then you just don't use the 2 long poles. But now I do want to use it as a floor lamp, so I'm going to attach the poles here now to the top part of the lamp. And then we're going to screw that into the base. I'm just going to rotate the base. It's the quickest way to do this. And then the last step is just to connect to the power cord. Simply plug it in and then connect the other end into an outlet. Okay, so now we already see here the status LED here. This is the power button. So turn on and turn off the lamp right from here. Also adjust the brightness and even the color temperature. So now let's have a look at the remote control. So first we're going to put in 2 AAA batteries. And then here we have the power on and off button. We can adjust the brightness by going up and down. And we're also able to adjust the color temperature. So that means it can be really a bright white, or we can go to like a more yellowish tone that is more suitable for the eyes. And then there's a third setting that's like right in between the really bright white and the yellow, so like a medium setting. And then there we also have some presets for the brightness. There's 3 buttons for that. So there's like a 20% button, 50% and 100%. And then the last 2 buttons here on the top of the remote says 60 seconds and 10 minutes. And that's like a timed shut off feature. So if you press 60 seconds, then after 60 seconds, the lamp is going to shut off. You can see that it's going to do that because the power button here is blinking while this shutdown is in process. Yeah, and that was already it for this video. Hope you found the information helpful. And if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.